Hi folks, this is Steve Margison, author of the book on Forex trading. This is the pound dollar, and we've got an interesting situation developing here. It is almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon London time, and look, the pound has only had a range today of 36. Its weekly average is 97, its monthly average is just about 99, 100. We've only done 36. So the chances are there's going to be a breakout either to the upside or the downside to reach its somewhere towards its normal daily range. Now, it looks like it's going to be to the upside because price is above the trend SMA. All your Ichimokus are blue. You've got the correct angle on the stochastic. Now, if this breaks, what's that? If it breaks 155, gets anywhere near 160, then I would go along here as a breakout to the upside. Looking at the 1 minute, you can see, look at this. If I put it, let's just put a line in there, here, give us some focus. A new cross to the upside on the 15-minute tricks. You're getting a cross to the upside, here look. There, on the 5-minute, this is ideal situations for breakouts. And this has gone blue as well. All the Ichimoku clouds are blue. So, if this was to break out now, you'd take it long after about 158.60. Now, it's not broken out yet, but you've got an ideal situation in place if it were to break out. Back to the 15-minute, you can see here you've got resistance here. It has to break this resistance. It has to go above 158.60 to go long. Now, if it fails again to break out here, this could reverse itself and break out to the downside. It's only done 36 pips today. In fact, I've never known the pound only do 36 pips in a day. So it's either going to break to the upside or downside. Now, if this carries on down and we get a shooting star here, this could be a short. Can you see how that's worked out? If you look at the euro has tried to break out as well. This line here, for those of you who've got this indicator off me, is Friday's low. So it's challenging Friday's low, but not gone through. Interestingly, not gone through. And here you can see the 1 minute. Everything was blue there. And it challenged that Friday's low, but it didn't make it. Now, if that reverses, the chances are the pound will reverse. Aussie dollar. Well, the Aussie dollar, look, gravestone doji, shooting star, whatever you want to call it, there, signalling that the price is likely to fall, and it has done. It's again, even the Aussie dollar has tested Friday's low and failed there, look. Wow. So, could we be in for a reversal this afternoon? Now, you have to watch the S&P to see if the market starts to fall, and you could get a reversal. Interesting, isn't it? Back to the pound. Now you can see, look at this candle. That's a failure at the highs and a failure at the resistance for the moment. And this, of course, is Friday's low, which is where it is at the moment. So it's either going to go up again and break out, or it's going to fall all the way back to 58.20 and break down. It's unlikely to stay in here because the range is too narrow, 36. Let's see what happens. I mean, arguably, the pound could go up another 60, or vice versa, could fall through the 58.20 and go down another 60. But at the moment, you know, it's looking bid. Let's have a look at the 5 minute. All over the place, isn't it? But you do have the divergence, but once that plays out and all these go blue again, this could attempt the breakout again. Here we go. They're all blue again now, and it's got over the 50, the 58.50. Again, 58.60 go long. Looking at the euro, the 15 minutes just about to cross to the upside, the tricks. 5 minute tricks has recently crossed, and now the 1 minute tricks is crossing to the upside. You've got all blues here, and it's at 130.72. It's trying to attack the resistance here. It's just getting through, look. That's the 1 hour high, and it's just bulking at the 1 hour high. Can you see how my indicators help? The FSS Dashboard, the day's high and low line that's in there. We've also got the Asian session here. Can you see how now the euro has got resistance at the top of the Asian session? So the euro now is at the top of its day. Will it break out to the upside? That is the question. It's looking good, but it's got to break out first. I'd like to see a break of 130.80 before I go along. Right. Remember, trading is about sitting on your hands. Don't jump the gun. I'm going to put a pending order in. It's going to be a buy stop. If it gets above 162, well, I've got to add spread. So let's say 165. 165.5. Buy stop. We'll take profit of the 58.99, but I would take bits off on the way up. Stop loss. Now you could have the stop loss under this 20 here. $158.13. You could even put a tighter one as under this, under here, because it's not going to break out. It's going to come the other way. If you want to put a really tight stop on, that's 40. So you could put your stop at 30 if you want a really, really tight one. Okay. Right, that's if it breaks out while I'm having a cup of tea. Well, here we go. It's just tried to break through 158. The day's range is now 40. So you would think it's going to hit my buy stop and enter me into a long, but we'll see. It's still fighting with this, with the highs of the day. 158.58 now. At the euro, again, going for the highs of the day. It's just about to take me in to the trade. Now I'm in. Euro also has also broken through. Look, I didn't take the euro, but nice range is 92. Let's see how far the euro can go. The pound now, those who went in at 60 have now got about 8 pips. It's gone a pip higher. It's now at 53, today's range, and there it goes. In fact, I think it went to 59.10 or something like that. So, and you can see that today's range is on 92, which is not far from the weekly average daily range. So can you see that, what I was trying to teach today? The pound dollar was here, this level here, which was the same as the Asian session high. It had only done 35 pips, and this was around about 4 o'clock, 4:30 London time. It had to break out either to the upside or the downside. All the blue Ichimoku showed that the breakout would be likely to the upside. And it broke to the upside and almost fulfilled its average daily range. Okay folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's Steve Margison, www.sm-forex.com. Thank you.